Riddle me this. What do almond milk, mint, chocolate, and kale have in common?
Huh?
They're all made with today's recipe, which is
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
If you're ever wondering how to get more greens into your diet, especially during this holiday season or into the new year, I have a recipe for you today that uses kale in chocolate mint ice cream, and it is delicious, nutritious, and you are going to have raving fans. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is the Master Food Artist with Darlene Loves, and if you missed last week's recipe, which it was the stew with kale, or the week before's, which was kinky kale chips, or maybe you missed that kinky kale salad. Anyways, we get a little kinky around here. I mean, kale.
Whoa.
Let's get started with this week's recipe, which is chocolate mint ice cream made the most healthy, delicious way. You could actually sell this stuff on the market and it would sell like chocolate. First, we're going to start with 16 ounces of almond milk. Feel free to click the link up above and so you can make your own almond milk. Then we're going to add the kale. So 1 cup of kale, and to make it really green, another cup of kale or spinach. Then we're going to add 8 to 10 dates and lots of mint. I started out with a little bit and I ended up putting a whole bushel of mint inside of it. Then a little bit of vanilla extract or vanilla stevia or both, like I'm doing here. And then if you want, you can add peppermint extract. I don't like to, so I'm not going to. 2 ice cube trays full of ice and a half a chocolate bar. Blend it up until the chocolate pieces are nice and tiny. Then you're going to put together your ice cream maker, whichever kind you have. I have a Cuisinart here, and pour it in as it's turning around. It's really important. And then while it's mixing up, you're going to chop up your mix-ins, which is going to be some fresh mint and some more of that chocolate bar. When it's nice and thick, go ahead and add the mix-ins in, stir it up. Yummy! It's so thick and delicious, perfect consistency. Wow. And then what I do is I store it in a glass container in the freezer. Oh, and top it with some chocolate and fresh mint. Delicious. I can't even taste the kale. Share this recipe with your friends so that they can make this too. And take it to your next holiday party, because that's how you are, the Master Food Artist. And of course, hit subscribe and like this video. And come back next week where I have more surprises and healthy recipes to bring out the best in you so that we can make food to live for.